Imagine a world where your job is done faster, cheaper, and possibly better by an AI. It seems like science fiction, but it's becoming our reality. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept confined to Hollywood movies. It's here, it's rapidly evolving, and it's about to change everything. From self-driving cars to algorithms that can diagnose diseases, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live and work. This video will delve into 11 industries on the verge of a dramatic AI takeover, exploring the potential impacts and challenges that lie ahead. Manufacturing, the backbone of many economies, is already undergoing a robotic revolution. Picture a factory floor where robots work tirelessly alongside humans, assembling products with precision and speed. AI-powered systems can optimize production lines, predict maintenance needs, and even adapt to changing demands in real time, making human intervention almost obsolete. While this promises increased efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about job displacement. Data entry and processing, often seen as tedious and repetitive, are ripe for AI disruption. Imagine software that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, extracting key information and generating reports with unparalleled accuracy. AI algorithms can automate these tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. This shift has the potential to streamline operations and reduce costs across industries. Basic accounting and bookkeeping tasks, often governed by rules and procedures, are a natural fit for AI. Imagine software that can record transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate financial statements with minimal human intervention. AI-powered accounting systems can improve accuracy, reduce errors, and provide real-time financial insights, empowering businesses to make more informed decisions. Account reconciliation, a crucial but time-consuming process, is being transformed by AI. AI algorithms can automate the matching of transactions, identify discrepancies, and flag potential errors, making the process faster, more accurate, and less prone to human error. This allows finance professionals to focus on more strategic tasks, such as financial analysis and risk management. Generating financial reports, often a labor-intensive task, can be automated with AI. Imagine software that can analyze financial data, identify trends, and generate customized reports tailored to specific needs. AI can create visualizations, dashboards, and interactive reports, making it easier for stakeholders to understand complex financial information. Data analysis, crucial for making informed business decisions, is being revolutionized by AI. AI algorithms can sift through massive data sets, identify patterns, and generate insights that would be impossible for humans to uncover. This enables businesses to optimize pricing, personalize marketing campaigns, and make data-driven decisions across all aspects of their operations. Remember those frustrating hours spent on hold with customer service? AI is changing that. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by natural language processing can handle routine inquiries, provide instant support, and even escalate complex issues to human agents. This improves customer satisfaction, reduces wait times, and allows human agents to focus on more challenging interactions. Even jobs requiring specialized skills are not immune to AI disruption. AI is being used to perform tasks previously thought to require human expertise, such as legal research, medical diagnosis, and even creative writing. While this presents opportunities for increased efficiency and accuracy, it also requires professionals to adapt their skills and embrace lifelong learning to stay ahead of the curve. Imagine getting personalized financial advice tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance, all powered by AI. AI-driven robo-advisors can analyze market trends, assess your financial situation, and recommend investment strategies, making financial planning more accessible and affordable. While human financial advisors still play a role, AI is changing the landscape of wealth management. AI is not limited to general tasks. It can also master niche skills. Imagine AI systems that can translate languages with human-level fluency, compose original music, or even design complex engineering structures. As AI continues to learn and evolve, it will increasingly outperform humans in specialized areas, leading to both new opportunities and potential challenges. AI's ability to handle complex tasks is reshaping professional roles. Imagine working alongside AI systems that can analyze legal documents, assist in medical diagnoses, or even help design safer and more efficient transportation systems. Rather than replacing humans entirely, AI is becoming a powerful tool that augments our capabilities, allowing us to tackle more complex problems and achieve greater outcomes. From manufacturing to financial planning, AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. While this technological revolution presents challenges and opportunities, one thing is clear: the future of work will be shaped by our ability to adapt and collaborate with AI. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay informed, embrace lifelong learning, and develop the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. Stay informed and adaptable to navigate the future shaped by AI.